So guys, welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade. And in today's video, we're going to learn about how to convert a drawing into a PDF file in AutoCAD. So this is a very important part from that. I have showed you many times in my videos that how to convert a drawing into a file in a PDF file in AutoCAD. So in this video, the video is very detailed. You have to watch it very carefully to achieve the greatest readable drawing that you will ever see in your architecture career. So after that, first you have to do is Control F, and this plot dialog block box will appear. After that, the page setup, if you have any saved page setup, then you have to go to the page setup name, and after that it will give you a perfect page setup. So if you don't have, then just follow the steps that I'm telling to you. Here you have to select AutoCAD PDF high quality print over here, and next the step is to select paper size that you want. So basically, if you go with a full bleed A1, any of the format of A3, A4, A6, and even A0 fits with it, because if you just change the orientation of it, it will give you a perfect output. So after that, in this you have options of display, extents, limits, and windows. So basically what this means is, display is whatever is visible on your display, it will plot it and make it in a PDF file. Extents are the extents that you have already said that are the maximum number of the screen that the drawing has. Limits is the same as extents, and window is a custom option that, let's say I just want these two drawings. So I will just make a box on these two drawings, and I will press on preview. So as you know, I had only selected the two drawings, so only that two will be converted into a PDF format. So now, as you just saw, the drawing was in the lower portion of the page. So that can be sorted by just clicking on center the plot, then fit to paper. If you want a specific scale of the drawing, then you have to deselect this and then write the specific units that you want for your drawing. If not, you just have to press on fit to paper. After that, you have to select is a CTB. A monochrome CTB is the best style that you can use if you don't have your own personal CTB. If you want to create your own personal CTB, check it out on my channel. You just search on YouTube, just writing my channel's name, that is Cat Comrade, and you will get the video. So monochrome CTB is the best CTB that you can use for your architecture drawings. Shade plot as displayed quality, you go with maximum, and you have to select plot transparency. So what the plot transparency tick box is very important. I will show you, because if you see right now, the transparency checkbox is not placed. So as you can see how my drawings are being placed. So if I just click on the plot transparency checkbox, you just see the difference of how good the quality gets on making it. So this is how subtle it will look if you plot in transparency. So basically, this transparency comes with the hatches and the lines that you have used in your AutoCAD drawing. So after clicking all of this, you are almost all set for converting the drawing into a PDF file. After that, you have to do is select orientation, that you want it in a portrait or you want it in landscape. So basically, I just selected my drawing in the landscape format, as you saw in the preview. So I will select the landscape format and just press OK. After pressing OK, you have to do is